Hello, people of Earth. So here I'm having to do a voiceover. We were playing Super Mario and I don't want to get copyrighted. So this is day 2 of my South Lake Tahoe vlog. First things first, I'm going to show you guys how we made birria this morning. So let's get onto that. So the first thing that we did was we roasted up the chili peppers and then we soaked them and we took the seeds out. Then we roasted up 2 tomatoes and 1 jalapeno. We put it all together in the blender with some chicken bouillon. And while that was happening, we put in some beef bone into a pot with a lot of water, some garlic, onion, and bay leaves. We let that simmer, and then once it was ready, we took it all out. Then all the ingredients that we have in the blender, we just blended all on up, and then we added it to the broth that was left in there. And then whatever fat collected from the top of that, we put in a bowl and we used that fat to fry the tortillas so that they would get nice and crispy. We added some cheese on top. Then we added the cooked birria meat and we added some onion, cilantro, and then we took some of the broth from the pot. We added some lemon juice and it's just, yeah, taste test time. Crunchy, lemony, delicious. Let's have a bite. It's so good. And I just took a shower, so right now we're about to play Super Mario, so let's do that. Hey guys, so we were waiting for some family, but we got tired of waiting. We waited for a while, for a couple hours, so now we're just gonna go to North Lake and explore the area, so let's go. Look at this cute little telephone booth. The little rotisserie thing. Got bamboozled. There's no coffee shop. It's just a post office and you know, but at least there's a nice view. There's soap books. I wanted some coffee. Oh well. We'll catch you guys on the other side. Okay, we're moving on from coffee. We're gonna go get sushi now at Tahoe Sushi. Let's see if it's any good. Let's go. Go, go, go. Cute. So we're stopping to get some ice cream. This place is pretty good, but it has a super long line, so let me show you. You see that over there? That's the whole long line for the ice cream, so it better be fire. The line.
One long angry line later.
Hey guys, so this is the ice cream. I only have 2 hands, so I'm just gonna bite it like a maniac. It's pretty good though. Got strawberry cheesecake and then mocha almond fudge on the bottom. It's pretty good. See you guys later. Hey guys, so now we're leaving my dad's place. I'm going with my cousin Noe to go meet his guinea pigs, his cats, and his doggy Mowgli. So now we're just headed over there. Noe, say hi. Hi. Hi guys. Look at this little. Look at the little baby. Oh, so cute. The little baby. And the doggy.
You guys. Becca did good with the flow.
And we're back, y'all.
See, nah, she sucks at this.
We're walking. I don't know where we're going. Artemis?
With
Yep.
Jazz.
Why do you vlog from down here? You're
Angles.
like, back at it again.
I like showing my double chins. Don't worry about where we're at. Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset.
We're jumping.
I'm high now. We thought you were gonna be like another 10 minutes.
I was like, finished my round. I was like,
let's get in.
Anyways, look at my food, guys. Like, my shit's slamming. I got the crisp. I got the sauce. I got the gyro.
Day 3.
Hello, people of Earth. So welcome back. This is day 3. We started the morning with some birria tacos that I made, some coffee that my dad made, some juice, and we just had a slow morning. So now we're on our way to a cute little coffee shop with the library inside. So let's go check it out. We are now leaving the coffee shop. Say bye-bye. We're here at the lake, gonna get in the water. Ooh, yep, that's cold. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours since the lake. We're just stopping to get some sushi before we head over to the airport. So let's go in. Hey guys, so we didn't end up doing sushi because